My name is Nikki Bell, and as a professional house cleaner, I can tell you the hardest part of my job is one room. Bathrooms are magnets for scum and grime, and cleaning a shower and bathtub is no small task. For years, I was on my hands and knees, reaching, scrubbing, rinsing, and getting soap to get the job done right, not to mention destroying my back and joints along the way. I knew there had to be a better way, and that's why I created the Scum Scrubber.
Using a cloth or sponge makes this unavoidable household chore something we all hate. The Scum Scrubber changes everything. More than any other product out there, it makes creating beautiful, shiny bathrooms a walk in the park. The Scum Scrubber has a long telescopic handle, giving you total control of the scrubber and putting some oomph into the job. The head swivels and tilts to get into corners, edges, sides, and even the floor. This means more maneuverability and more comfort.
It is a really big help, especially when you're pregnant. Just got a whole lot of stomach in the way, and the Scum Scrubber, I was just like, wow. As I started working with it and figuring out how it really works and how well it works, it was over.
I have to wring out the towels or the sponges. And I don't know if you know anything about arthritis, but that is the most excruciating thing to do. With the Scum Scrubber, I just have to hold the stick and it does all the work.
The scrubbing pad is a revolutionary design based on years of tackling the harshest of bathrooms. Its industrial strength and strips away the toughest grime, hard water deposits, and soap scum like nothing else on the shower cleaning market.
There's no mess the Scum Scrubber can't tackle. Take a look at the mud caked on this shower wall. With the Scum Scrubber, it's gone like magic.
When we showed the world the power of the Scum Scrubber through social media, it didn't take long to see the demand for something this powerful and easy to use is there. Now we are delivering the product professional cleaners use every day directly to your door.
I've been a professional cleaner for 10 years. When I'm cleaning the shower, it can take about 20 or 30 minutes to really get down with a rag or a cloth. The first time I used the Scum Scrubber, I was completely amazed. It cut my cleaning time by about 15 minutes. A complete no-brainer to use this product.
No matter if it's showers, tubs, garden tubs, short, tall, arthritis, limited mobility, there's comfort and ease for everyone.
I would literally get in there with a spray bottle and scrubbers and sponges. I just have to say I'm very happy with it.
No getting wet, no bending over, no squeezing into a tight space or stretching your body. Call now to get the Scum Scrubber at the introductory price of $24.95. That's a savings of almost 30%. Just pay shipping and handling.
For the record, this will work. It's worked for 100 years, but the time has come to make this chore easier than ever. There are other shower cleaners out there, but none put in the real work like the Scum Scrubber does. Try my product. Your back, joints, and time will thank you.